Hi guys, Ali G here today from Ali G Studios. We're going to be talking about how to take amazing food photos using your mobile phone. I'm here with chef and restaurant owner Arlindo Silva from Also Restaurant. Tip number one, make sure you go low, because if you take it from the same angle where everybody else gets to take it, your photo's not going to look any different. So this is the angle where most people will take the photo. Give people a different perspective. So next tip, shoot from a higher angle. This is what we call a flat lay in food photography. So the good thing about shooting from high is that you get to show all the elements on the plate, and also you give a different perspective again, right? So next tip, make sure you set your focus point correctly. I see a lot of photos when people take them which are out of focus, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So if you look here, the focus is off. You can see it right here. It's focusing somewhere else. So what you need to do is you need to tap here and the focus comes back on the meat. So next tip, don't use the on-camera flash, because all that's going to do is going to make your photo really flat. I'm going to show you other ways that you can use maybe another mobile phone or another source of light to take that photo. So if you look at this photo, you can see this kind of flat, right? It's just the on-camera flash. You know, it's almost like doing a Xerox, right? So there's nothing, no depth to it, no texture. One idea is you can use a torch from someone else's phone. You usually go to dinner with friends and family, so you can always use the torch to light up the food. That's going to make it much nicer and easier to take the photo. Hi guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button below to watch more of our videos coming up. Thank you.